Hello children, in this video we are going to learn social studies, direction and time, lesson number 13. See, lesson number 13, directions and time. Okay, here they given one poem. The girl is singing the poem. We'll read out this one, then we'll go to the lesson. The day, all day long the sun shines bright. All day long the sun shines bright. The moon and stars come out by night. From twilight time they line the skies and watch the world with quiet eyes. Okay, this is the poem. Daytime sun will be there, nighttime stars and the moon will be there, the twinkling stars. How the day and night comes, that only we are going to learn now. See, this is a boy. His name is Zumo. His name is Zumo. He want to visit his friend. He want to visit his friend Maiko for the first time. First time he want to visit his friend. What will Zumo need? How he will go to the Maiko's house is he need a address. He need a address. So then you want to know the way how to go his house. Nowadays we are having nice mobiles, everything. So easily we will find, we will put in the GPR and we'll go to the where we want to go. Okay. Or if you show the address to anyone, they'll say go right, left, like that only. But here how they are telling the way to Zumo. We often use the word left, right or straight, okay, to tell the people way. Now direction. See, the direction are 4 directions are there. How many directions? 4 directions. What are the 4 directions? We'll see now. Long ago, people used the sun. People use the sun to find direction. How they'll use the sun to find the direction? Any guess? Okay, I'll explain you. Do you know how they did? The sun rises in the east. Where the sun rises, it is in the east. It sets in the west. If you stand facing the sun in the morning, if you stand facing the sun morning, okay, it is east. Okay, back of you is west. Back of you is west. Left is the north. Left hand side is north. Right hand side is south. Okay, the direction they given. Okay, here also they explained you. East is the front of you. West is behind you. North is in your left. South is to your right. Okay, this is the way of finding the direction. Understand, children? Okay, now like this it is there. And before they find the clocks, they used to find the timing with the shadows. Okay, this first we will study the direction. Now the pilot, the sailor and all, the flight and all going up, they don't know where to go, how to go. They will use this one, compass. This is the compass. Always this compass will show to the north side. Okay, they'll point out to the north. They use this one and they'll find out the direction, which way to go, which is the north side, which is the south side, and east and west. Okay, you can use the compass to know the direction. A compass as a needle. See the needle. It always point to the north. It always point to the north. If you know where north lies, you can find the other 3 direction. Understand, children? If it is a north, the other 3 direction easily we can see. Now see, children, telling time. Now direction we saw, no? Okay, for the direction also I want to explain one more thing. See, north, east, west, south. North, east, west, south. Facing to the sun is north. Facing to the sun is east. Behind you is west. Left is north. Right is south. Now, what you can read is your NEWS. NEWS. North, east, west, south. What the word you get? News. News. Got it? Yes. All from all the direction they collect the message and bring us to as a news. Understand? North, east, west, south. From all the direction, what are the things happening, accident, incidents, all the messages bringing together and telling only news. Understand? Now we'll go to the timing. Now here telling time. Okay. Now the girl wants to go to school. Okay. When the sun rises, it is morning. When the sun rises, it is morning. Zunu goes to school. She goes to school. A new day begins. A new day begins. She want to go to school. Now sun is this side. Facing to the sun is, I said, east. When the sun is high up in the sky, when sun is high up in the sky, it is noon. Noon. Okay. Zun comes to home. See, up straight away it is there. When the sun sets in the evening, Zuni plays with her friends. Then she return home to study. See, this side, west side it goes. When we see the moon and the stars in the night, Zuns go to the bed. Okay, this is the way of given. Now I'll explain that one also. How the sun goes, rotates and goes, how it comes noon and everything. Okay, we'll see here the shadow, morning shadow and the noon shadow, how it comes. Children, now you can see the one girl is standing here. Okay, see the shadow of her. When it is the morning, the shadow is long. The shadow is long. Can you see the shadow long? When the sun goes high straight to her, the shadow is very short. Can see shadow is short. Got it? Like that. When the sun goes round, no, when the earth rotate, the shadow also goes like a rotating. Got it? The long shadow. When the moon comes up, the shadow is short. And the evening, the morning, the shadow will be long. And when it goes to the west, the shadow also long. But in the noon, the shadow is short. Got it, children? Like this, you also can try at home with the torchlight. Long ago, people did not have clocks or watches. They did not have a clock or watches. Then how do they see the time? Then how they go to work? Okay, I'll explain that. They could tell time by looking at the sun. Standing and looking at the sun means easily we can find out the time. Is how they invite the timing, the clock and the watch. Now I'm going to explain you how the earth rotates and the sun shadows comes. That like that only they find the time. That's called the sundial. Sundial. Now I'll explain that one. Now see, children, it's for example I made a sundial like this. Clock has no the 12 numbers. Now one pencil I kept, See straight to the 12, the shadow is standing. Can you see that one? Yes, see 12. Now the sun moves, the earth moves, rotate the sun, the timing also will be changing. See now, can you see? Can you see? Now what's the time? 1 o'clock. The rotation of the earth and the sun, the shadow, by like this only they find the timing. Got it? Understand? Easy way only I made this one. I took on chart paper the sundial with the torchlight, the shadow. This is the sundial. The sunlight falls on that and it rotate, means the timing they found with the sun. Got it? How they found the clock and the watch? First they used the sunlight and made a sundial. After that they invent the clock and the watch. Children, I think you understand how the find out the time by looking the sun. Yes, and the shadow in the evening and the noon. Clearly I explained. This you can try at home by using the torch, and you will be having dolls and the things also. Only not the doll. Whatever things have like this, if you keep the way which side the light comes, that side the shadow you can see. Understand? The sundial, I think clearly you understand that one. If not, you try it at home with your help of the elder ones, parents, uncle, auntie, anyone's. Okay, now we go to the book exercise. The book exercise, the first one, the A section is fill in the blanks. Choose the word from within the bracket. In the bracket they given the answers, options. But after reading, we have to find out. The sun rises in the dash, west or east. The sun rises in the east. East spelling E-A-S-T, east. We can know the direction with the dash. We can know the direction with the compass or the needle. Compass. C-O-M-P-A-S-S, compass. We go to school dash at night or in the morning. When we'll go to school, in the night or in the morning? In the morning. In the morning. This answer. We can tell the time by looking at our dash, our painting or our shadow. Our shadow. This is the answer. This answer and your answer. This answer the following. We'll write it in the note. Okay. And here are the shadows given. Some people make shadow puppets with their hands. Look at the following. Write the names of the animals. This remind you of. What is this? What is this? What shadow is this? Some they will do like shadows and all, like dog shadow, this, that and all. Like that only the shadow is here. What shadow is this one? Anyone have guessed? Yes, it's a swan. What's the spelling for swan? S-W-A-N, swan. Next is, it looks like a crocodile. The two hands, see the fingers, this all fingers, hand. Looks like a, with the shadow, looks like a crocodile. Crocodile spelling C-R-O-C-O-D-I-L-E, crocodile. Can you guess this one? It looks like bird. And which bird has long like this? Bat. You can write bird or bat. Bird. B-I-R-D, bird. This one, yes, easy way. See the two fingers and the hand. Here, two fingers. Looks like rabbit. What is the spelling for rabbit? R-A-B-B-I-T. Rabbit. That's all, children. Here, after seeing this video, after filling this all, in the down, you have to write awfully portions are completed. Okay, the notes I'll send through the WhatsApp. Thank you, children.